In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade crypto on Binance like a professional. Whether you're new to trading or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get you started on one of the world's leading crypto exchanges. First and foremost, make sure you are logged into your Binance account. Having a secure login should be your top priority. Ensure you have a strong password and, if possible, enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Once you're logged in, you have access to a world of trading opportunities. Next, navigate to the trade section. Here you have the option to choose between three different types of trading: spot, margin, or futures. The choice depends on your level of expertise and risk tolerance. Spot trading is the most straightforward and is great for beginners. If you're a more experienced trader, or willing to take on higher risks for potentially greater rewards, marginal futures might be suitable options. The next step is to search for the crypto pair you'd like to trade. For instance, if you're interested in trading Bitcoin for Tether, you would look for BTC USDT. Binance provides a comprehensive list of pairings, so it's easy to find something that fits your trading strategy. Understanding the specific pairs you're trading and their market behavior is crucial to making informed decisions. Once you've selected your desired trading pair, it's time to choose the type of order you want to place. You can choose between a limit order, a market order, or a stop limit order. A limit order allows you to set the price you want to buy or sell at, giving you control over your trading price. A market order is executed immediately at the current market price, which is useful if you're looking to enter or exit a position quickly. Lastly, a stop limit order is a bit more advanced, allowing you to specify a stop price and a limit price. This is particularly handy for safeguarding against unforeseen market swings. After deciding which type of order suits your strategy, enter the amount you want to buy or sell. Be sure to double check that you've entered the correct amount. It's easy to make mistakes, especially when dealing with fast-moving crypto markets. Once you're satisfied, simply click either buy or sell to execute the trade. To keep track of your trades and ensure everything is going as planned, regularly monitor your orders. You can find the status of your trades under the Open Orders tab or Order History. This is where you can see if your trades have been executed or if they are still pending. Staying informed about your positions will help you react swiftly to market changes. And there you have it, a straightforward path to trading crypto on Binance like a pro. Remember, practice and experience will help you hone your skills over time, but always trade wisely and within your means. Happy trading.